Next up, I went, I saw, I conquered for Handshake. In this, we need to survey the sawmill from a nearby ridge. Alright, so for I went, I saw, I conquered, we'll need to fly all the way down to Fort Nereith, over here, YBR1, and we'll need to head pretty much north upwards towards the sawmill. Unfortunately, if you don't have a plane location unlocked here, you'll need to trek all the way up here manually to this first landing pad, Echo 2, or all the way up to the top left, Echo 1 over here. So you literally need to walk through the bush unless you find someone who's already unlocked this area. Super painful, very annoying. So yeah, unfortunately, it's just going to be a walking/running simulator for now. It is a good idea to mark exactly where you're going. I'm going to mark the helipad just so we can get here quicker in the future. And of course, it's probably not the brightest idea to go straight through Fort Nereith, but I suppose we can probably poke our heads in there. Hopefully there's no snipers or anything crazy. I suppose we'll find out very quickly. Knowing my luck, I'll find out the hard way. Right, so now we're approaching the sawmill. We'll start by touching the landing pad just so we get the helicopter landing point here. So there we go, Echo 2 discovered, and we've unlocked it. You can also visit Echo 1 up there by 147, 137, or 137, 147. Yeah, I think it's that way around. Anyways, now we've made our way here, head practically straight north until we hit about here. On top of the hill is where we need to be in order to finish off this mission. There, you can already see the place that we need to go. It's this little hideout up here, so I suppose it's there-ish. Anyways, we'll head up here. Heading up here, we've now approached the sawmill overlook, and now the task is complete. So from here, I'd probably run across to the second landing zone and make my way back, but we've practically finished this mission. All we need to do now is go back home. And there we go, back at spawn, we can go ahead and open up the vendors list and hand some of these in. So, Handshake, I went, I saw, I conquered, complete. There we go. Now at least we can fly back when we go there for I went, I saw, I conquered too. I'll see you in that video. Ciao.